job.
Tag.
Good job. Read the whole page again then.
The bag had a tag.
Good job.
Cafe. Maybe you read this part first or that part.
The top line.
And that is shaped K.
No, read it. Sound
The
it out. Uh-huh.
K. The bag. Bag.
Mm-hmm.
Hat.
Read it out.
Shout out. Shout out.
Mm-hmm.
The bag is gone. On.
Sound it out.
Hot.
Read the whole page together now.
Is Evan. Does bag hot. The bag is hot.
Okay.
Say. Dot. 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 My book. Dot had a dog.
Mm-hmm.
The dog is Maggie. Mag. On.
Mm-hmm. Sound it out.
Got. The dog.
Mm-hmm. Sound it out.
That.
What's that word? Where are you reading? What letter is that? So read that all over. Start right there and read to the end.
Maggie.
Sound it out if you have trouble.
Got the gag.
How did you sound it out? B-A-G. So put those together. B-A-G.
Bag.
Good job.
Bag. Dot.
Mm-hmm.
Got.
Mm-hmm.
Mag.
Good.
Great job, guys.
So let's read the page.
Now read this one.
Okay.
Dot. Sat.
Mm-hmm.
Dot.
Mm-hmm.
D-I-B.
Mm-hmm.
The.
No. Mm-hmm.
The.
Duh.
Ba.
What's the next one? I. What's the next letter?
B.
Mm-mm.
D.
Mm-hmm.
Da. Dog. Ga.
What letter does D make?
Da.
So, duh, duh, right? Sound it out.
Big.
No, duh,
Dot.
duh. Sound it out.
D. The.
Mm-hmm.
Then.
Did. Good job.
Then. Mac. That.
Sound that one out. It's a little bit different than the last one.
That's
What letter does it start with?
S.
Huh? So what sound does that make? Alright then, what's the next letter?
I.
What sound does that make? And then what's the next letter?
T.
What sound does that make? Alright, so look at the word on the page. Sound it out.
Sat.
No, sat is with an A, right? Sat. Sat. At. This is with an I. S. It.
It.
S. It. S. It.
It.
What letter? What is that?
Sit. It.
Sit.
Sit.
Sit. So you see the difference? There's sat. S.